Many IBM Notes users are migrating to the cloud destination nowadays. And migrating Domino NSF files to Office 365 manually is almost an impossible task. So we are introducing you the efficient and useful third-party tool, Kernel Office 365 Migrator for Lotus Notes to perform the migration. Kernel Office 365 Migrator for Lotus performs migration of single or multiple Notes local NSF files and Domino Server NSF files to Office 365 location. Let's know the Domino Server to Office 365 migration procedure for multiple NSF files in detail. Launch the Kernel Office 365 Migrator software. Click on Add Domino Files to add the Domino Server NSF files. Now provide either the Domino Server IP address or name and click the Add Domino Server option. If you do not know the details, you can search the local Domino server on the network by clicking on Search Domino option. A dialog box will appear. Click Yes to confirm. It will ask you to provide the server password, enter it, and click OK. Select the added Domino server, and all its NSF files will get listed. Select the desired NSF files, and click Add. A dialog box will be displayed, asking to add NSF files with other Domino server name, or move further. Click OK to continue. Then click on Finish to move the selected NSF files. The selected files will get listed. Click Migrate. Now, in Office 365 Login Details page, select Multiple Mailboxes option, enter user ID and password. Select the checkbox to migrate impersonation rights to Office 365 mailboxes, and click OK. In the mapping window, you can map mailboxes through CSV file, or using the Map Automatically option, and then click Get Target Mailboxes list. Now, select the source mailbox and click Mapping button to select the target mailbox for mapping. Likewise, perform mapping for other source mailboxes. After completing the mapping process, click OK. Then set filters for the source NSF mailboxes like date range, mail categories, folder filters, etc. Then click OK. Select the saving mode and click OK. The mailboxes will start migrating. After some minutes, the migration will get completed with a message. So migrating the Domino Server NSF files to cloud is performed via Kernel Office 365 Migrator for Lotus Note tool, quite conveniently. Get complete details about the tool on its website. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.